A citizen of Hangzhou filed a lawsuit against the city government and the deputy mayor appeared in court to respond to the lawsuit. On the occasion of the upcoming 2023 World Environment Day, an environmental protection case was heard in Hangzhou City, and the deputy mayor, Huan Jnyuan, appeared in court to respond to the case. According to the official WeChat account of the Hangzhou Intermediate People's Court, on May 29, the court publicly heard the second-instance administrative litigation case of an Environmental Protection Administrative Review. A citizen named Xu filed a lawsuit against the Ecological Environment Bureau for its punishment decision and applied for administrative review and administrative litigation. The case was presided over by Chen Zhejun, the secretary of the Hangzhou Intermediate Court and a senior judge, who formed a collegial panel to hear the case. Huan Jnyuan, the deputy mayor of Hangzhou City in charge of the ecological environment and administrative review work, appeared in court as the representative of the city government. The basic facts of the case are that Xu filed for administrative review against an Environmental Protection Administrative Penalty decision, and the city government rejected Xu's administrative review application on the grounds of exceeding the statutory time limit. Xu filed a lawsuit with the court, requesting the revocation of the administrative review decision made by the city government. After the first instance judgment dismissed the lawsuit, Xu appealed to the Hangzhou Intermediate Court. In the trial, the parties focused on the dispute over whether the appellant's application for review had exceeded the statutory time limit and made full statements, responses, cross-examination, and debate on the facts of the case, legal procedures, and legal application. The deputy mayor, Huan Jnyuan, stated in court testimony that administrative bodies should completely execute the notions of no small matter in the public interest, and details determine success or failure in law enforcement work, further strengthen law enforcement, prevent administrative law enforcement risks, improve the level of administrative law enforcement, safeguard the legitimate rights and interests of the public, and decrease conflicts and disputes. He also called for the whole society to enhance awareness of ecological environment protection. Enterprises or individuals engaged in production and processing should strictly implement their pollution prevention and control responsibilities, enhance awareness, strengthen management, and discharge waste in accordance with the law. At the same time, he represented the city government and expressed the hope that the collegial panel would organize and carry out administrative dispute coordination and resolution work in order to avoid procedural inefficiencies and effectively resolve administrative disputes. Xu, the appellant, stated in court that as a Hangzhou native, he loves his hometown very much, but due to a lack of legal awareness, he damaged the environment during construction. After studying for a period of time and personally participating in the lawsuit, he has come to a deep understanding of the harm caused by his actions. He hopes to resolve the dispute in this case through coordination under the organization of the court. The judges stated that each administrative penalty decision made by the administrative agency concerns the vital interests of ordinary people and must be strictly enforced in accordance with the law to ensure substantive justice and procedural justice are both achieved. People's courts must legally hear environmental resources administrative cases and promote administrative agencies to timely perform their administrative regulatory duties in accordance with the law, correct illegal administrative acts, safeguard the legitimate rights and interests of administrative counterparts, and support administrative agencies to investigate and punish environmental violations in accordance with the law and maintain the effectiveness of environmental protection administrative actions.